Hello guys, this is Jesse from Geronimods, and as you can see in the intro, temperatures are dropping, winter is coming, Game of Thrones, hashtag that meme, and it's really time to change my summer tires for some grippy winter tires. I normally change the tires around 7 degrees Celsius, and today I just want to show you how you can change your tires, and in this case on my Mazda 3 MPS or the Mazdaspeed 3. I'm not gonna go in full detail on how to change your wheels. I'm just gonna have a fun and easy quick video. So enjoy watching, and if you like it, subscribe and like the video. Thanks a lot. First of all, I'm gonna clean these dirty wheels. Normally I clean the wheels before I store them, but in this case it's the first time that I changed them and the last owner didn't clean them. So let's get to cleaning. After you're done cleaning the wheels, or when you want to start jacking up the car, make sure you block off your wheels with something. This prevents the car from sliding backwards. You should also pull up your handbrake. In this shot, it looks like the winter wheels are already on the car. This is just an optical illusion and has nothing to do with the fact that I forgot to film this part beforehand. Before jacking up your car, look for a solid spot under your car where you can jack it up. In your owner's manual you can find where you can do this safely. I have a little car jack which you can't slide very far under the car, so I choose to jack the car up under 4 sides instead of doing it 2 wheels at a time. In this case on the left side of the front axle. If you don't have an impact gun like I use in this video, I would advise loosening the bolts of the wheel before jacking up the wheel. It can be hard to loosen them while the wheel is off the ground for the fact that the tire keeps on spinning. For changing the wheels I only use the jack, not the jack stands, because I'm never getting under the car, and if you know where to safely jack up the car, it's way less time consuming. Don't forget to not over tighten the bolts while the wheels are off the ground. You have to torque them down while the weight of the car is on them. After you're done changing your wheels, put the car back on the ground and torque the bolts down in a star pattern. For the Mazda, that's 120 Newton meters. I go over them twice so I don't forget any. Don't forget to clean your wheels and chalk them, so next time you change them again you know where they were on the car. You can also put some paper between the bolt holes, whatever works for you. That's all that I have for you today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out guys, and don't forget to keep on modding.